Hey, what's up? My name is Emmanuel, and my topic is on global warming. Quick question for you guys. You guys think we're actually entering a new ice age? Might sound ridiculous, but I actually read an article from 75 Readings by Philip Stat saying that we might be entering a new ice age. That's crazy, but I don't know. Then, on the other hand, I read an article from the web saying that global warming is getting out of control and it's actually causing a lot of disaster. Well, back to the ice age. Philip Stat is saying that in the year 2002, a 500 billion ton section of the Antarctic collapsed into the sea, prompting environmentalists to call a reduction in the greenhouse gas emissions. They're saying that the shifting of the Antarctic had no evidence of global warming. If it had no evidence of global warming, then what did the shifting? Alright. They're also saying, well, he's also saying that while some sheets are retreating, others are growing thicker, and some parts of the Antarctic are actually getting colder. The temperature is actually falling, not rising. And then he's also saying that the floating sheets of the ice does not raise the sea levels upon melting. I don't know about that, but it could be true. And then he did some research saying that the University of Illinois researchers have reported that over the last 50 years, the temperature in the interior appeared to have been falling. So it goes back to what I said before, that temperature is actually falling. But on the other hand, it's saying, on the other hand, in the article from the web, it says that the Arctic ice is getting thinner, it's melting, and it's erupting. And the cause of that is because of global warming. And they're saying that the polar ice cap is actually shrinking as a whole. It's shrinking as a whole, and that's because global warming. It's getting hotter, the ice is melting, and it's shrinking. And it says that when the covering melts, the Earth absorbs more sunlight, and it gets hotter. So if it shrinks more and the covering melts and everything, and then if there's no ice, then the Earth is going to absorb more sunlight, and it's actually going to get hotter. Temperatures are actually going to rise a lot, and it's not going to get colder. So that's the opposite from what they said in the Ice Age, what Philip Stat said. And in the article, they're actually saying that the melting glaciers and land-based ice sheets are also contribute to rising sea levels, which they're saying that the melting is actually causing the sea levels to rise and causing coastal flooding. So one side saying that it is causing the flooding, well, it's causing the sea levels to rise, and the other side is saying that it's not. I don't know. Who can we trust? Well, from my opinion, the global warming part side sounds more realistic than the ice age, because as we have noticed, temperatures are right during the summer are rising, and then we have noticed from the news and everything that the Arctic is actually getting colder. Well, getting colder. It's actually melting, and they're saying that by the end of this century, we might not have no ice in the Arctic. So if there's no ice in the Arctic, then the Earth absorbs more sunlight. It's gonna get hotter. And I don't know. And then I also heard that 1% of the 1% of the flooding from Hurricane Sandy was actually from the Arctic meltdown. So if that 1% wasn't there, then it wouldn't cause a lot of disasters that happened. But since that 1% did happen, it caused more disaster. It's crazy, and it's sad too. But I don't know. Well, that's all I can say. All right. Thank you.